Harris provides world-class sensors and solutions for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, enabling government and commercial ISR missions with greater situational awareness, high-throughput communications, and mission flexibility. Our high-value spaceborne, airborne, and ground-based sensing systems and subsystems help users anticipate, interpret, and quickly make high-confidence decisions. Our scalable solutions leverage real-time processing and analytics capabilities, which not only reduce the time to higher confidence decisions, but enable Harris to support customer missions with end-to-end mission capabilities. For instance, the Corvus I 1500 Wide Area Motion Imagery System can observe activity, track movement, and gather critical intelligence over a city-size area in real time. Harris's universe exploration business supports the needs of the world's astrophysics community with precision optics, structures, telescopes, and services which enable astronomy missions. Harris is the world's most experienced space antenna reflector manufacturer and the #1 provider of large, high-accuracy unfurlable reflectors. Our industry-leading space antennas deliver higher data rates, greater bandwidth, and lighter weight alternatives. Harris's dedicated reflector manufacturing facility is the largest facility of its kind in the world. We have delivered more than 80 systems over the last 50 years, 10 times the number of our closest competitor, garnering 800 years of collective service. Harris is also the leading provider of steerable and fixed antenna solutions for multi-beam systems. Our spot beam antenna solutions deliver significantly higher data rates and access greater amounts of bandwidth than standard satellite antenna technologies. Applying the innovative mesh surface technology developed for our unfurlable reflectors to a fixed frame, we offer a lightweight alternative to conventional solid reflectors with no loss of RF reflectivity. Harris also specializes in highly engineered structures solutions, which keep our collection systems stable in the harsh environment of space. Harris space payloads and electronics enable missions to get into space faster and more affordably. We are the largest, most experienced hosted payload provider in the world. Our AppStar software-defined architecture helps owners reduce costs and improve the timelines of their space-based missions, enabling a single physical payload to accommodate multiple missions. AppStar is the technology base for the over 220 hosted payloads on the Iridium Next constellation, which includes 81 receiver payloads for Ariane's real-time aircraft monitoring systems. Protecting America's space assets requires unrivaled capabilities to help guarantee U.S. space superiority. Harris's world-class engineering solutions provide U.S. forces with actionable information from systems across the space superiority mission. From space situational awareness to space control, we develop, integrate, and sustain the complex systems needed to gain and maintain space superiority. Harris applies proven Department of Defense standards-compliant processes, tools, and training to systems for the warfighter. Our ground sensor sustainment focuses on rapid capability transition and lifecycle cost reduction, with no compromise to safety or quality. World-class sustainment engineering is more than keeping things running. It requires proactive management for systems to continually increase their capabilities over time. Research and development efforts are aligned with customer goals. A significant investment in dedicated facilities includes a Center of Excellence for Mission Solutions. And we are co-located with our customer in Colorado Springs. The Global Positioning System. It's a part of everyday life we take for granted. Harris's precision navigation and timing business is crucial to GPS success. Harris has provided 70 GPS satellite payloads. We've been on every U.S. GPS satellite ever launched and accumulated over 700 years of successful on-orbit life. Originally developed for the military, GPS has become a ubiquitous information utility that supports critical infrastructure across a wide range of industries. Society relies on GPS information in fields from law enforcement to farming, and from power grids to shipping. Over the past 20 years, GPS technology has transformed lifestyles and business, with applications in all spheres of life. Adoption of GPS technology has improved safety, environmental quality, and situational awareness. New technologies in the U.S. Air Force's GPS modernization program will improve its accuracy and reliability. Harris provides key navigation processing elements and precision monitor station receivers for the next-generation Global Positioning System Operational Control System, or GPS OCX. The GPS 3 capabilities include higher signal power, longer space vehicle lifetime, and higher signal availability. The satellites will deliver signals 3 times more accurate than current GPS spacecraft and provide 3 times more power for military users. Harris applies this GPS expertise to Signal Sentry, which detects and locates jamming devices that transmit signals to disrupt critical infrastructure such as shipping ports, utilities, and government facilities. Harris is the world leader in climate and weather instrumentation. For 50 years, our remote sensors, instruments, and systems have delivered 100% on-orbit mission success. We have built more meteorological instruments than any other company, and on the ground side have processed more data for the military, the FAA, NOAA, and NASA than any other company as well. One new sensor Harris brings to the marketplace will transform the timeliness of weather information and how it is seen. The Advanced Baseline Imager, or ABI, is already at work on board Japan's Himawari 8 meteorological satellite. It will also be the primary instrument on NOAA's GOES-R satellite system. The ABI will provide 3 times more spectral information, 4 times the spatial resolution, and more than 5 times faster coverage than the current system. This new high-quality weather data will be received and processed into usable products by the GOES-R ground segment, which Harris has designed, developed, and tested for NOAA. Building on our ground segment experience for the GOES-R program, Harris has introduced the IntelliEarth line of global weather solutions to help users manage the flood of superior environmental intelligence from new generation weather satellites. We are also using advanced capabilities like lasers to study a city or area and measure from where carbon dioxide or methane may be forming and pooling, expanding the international community's ability to analyze climate. Government and commercial customers count on us for actionable information, when and where it's needed, and at every point in the value chain to make faster, smarter mission decisions. IntelliEarth is Harris's family of innovative solutions that translate remote sensing data into information that can enhance public safety and improve business intelligence. Our IntelliEarth geospatial solutions make it easier and more cost-effective to analyze the physical environment. Harris data collection technologies include the world's first commercial Geiger mode LiDAR sensor, which collects data faster than today's top linear mode sensors and at superior quality resolutions. Our automated and custom geospatial data processing techniques have been honed through years of work with the U.S. Department of Defense and commercial GIS applications. We take the data and imagery from any sensor and quickly produce high-fidelity correlated data sets such as imagery, digital elevation maps, 3D urban models, feature vector data, and material classification. Through our IntelliEarth Marketplace online portal, we put commercial imagery and topographic and elevation data from 28 of the world's premier providers at the fingertips of users around the globe. Our geospatial data analyses support such needs as asset, resource, risk management, and global change monitoring. For the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency's Foundation GeoInt Content Management, or FGCM program, Harris creates high-resolution, geospatially accurate maps of 2/3 of the world, on demand. Our one-feature, one-time database eliminates data redundancy. and stores the most current representation of each geospatial feature. Using the NV Services engine, organizations can create, publish, and deploy geospatial images and analysis on virtually any existing enterprise infrastructure, from the desktop, mobile devices, or web applications. And our Jaguar product deploys geospatial products on the cloud, collapsing the time from data collection to delivery, so decision makers and field teams can respond in real time. High performance, high volume, high accuracy geospatial solutions. Harris. Technology to connect, inform, and protect.